So I'm here with Frédéric. He's a director of the factory here, and we're about to take the craziest tour of my favorite cookware brand, Le Creuset. Shall we?
Let's go.
Let's go.
The first thing it is to prepare molten metal, pig iron and recycled steel coming from the automotive industry.
Yeah.
And then you will increase the temperature of the metal. 45 minutes later, you have molten metal. So then we have our liquid cast iron, and this liquid cast iron will be poured inside a sand mold. It is white sand at the start, but then it is mixed with a lot of other elements, water, clay, and then at the end of the line, we just break the sand molds. By doing that, you generate a kind of burr around the product.
Right.
And this burr has to be removed using different kind of technology.
It's real.